Hey all, so as some of you know, I recently purchased this laser from Alibaba. It is a 504 nanometer blue laser for etching. And, well, this whole experiment is I want to see if I can build my own CNC laser etcher. And, well, it's a new laser, so what's a laser if you can't fire it? So I'm going to show you guys what I've done. This is going to be pretty short because I'm wearing these safety glasses, which they're not really laser glasses. And I'm going to get some real safety glasses. So I'm not going to actually be looking at what I'm doing. I'm just going to be pointing the camera at it. Anyway, so bad part about this guy is he didn't come with a whole lot of documentation. The packing slip said that this was a pulse width modulation controlled laser. I did a little bit of research online, and I found out these lasers are typically 12 volts, 1 kilohertz, and it's controlled by the duty cycle. So I built this really simple 555 controlled pulse width modulation circuit. And you can see on the oscilloscope, it's not quite 1,000 kilohertz. Oops. Magnetized. Okay. It's got a little bit of a gap there, and according to this, it is 937 kilohertz. But I'm good with it, and I've got a little adjustable piezoelectric right there. So, see, so that's 50% duty cycle, and according to what I read, this guy is TTL. So that I got this set to 5 volts. It actually looks like it's a little bit less than, no, it's about 5 volts. So this will actually go a little higher than we wanted it to, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I'm a little sad that it won't go just a little bit lower, so I won't be able to turn the laser completely off again. I'm wearing these yellow glasses, but I don't quite trust them. Anyway, so what I've got here is I've got a little thing so I can plug it into my board. I've got this section right here with a separate to this guy. So this guy is a 5 volt source. It's controlling the 555 timer, or the pulse width modulation circuit. And then this guy is right now set to 12 volts. So this is going to be a little bit rough because I don't have clips for this guy. So I'm going ahead and touching it to the power supply. And it's not showing 12 volts. That's not good. That's not good at all. Oh, this contact is loose. Yeah, I don't think this is the contact that came with this meter. Well, it was working a few minutes ago, and I was showing 12 volts. So I am... Oh, there we go. Ah! Actually, that's showing a little bit high, so let me turn that down just a bit. So, good. Now we're at 11.6 volts. So, I'm going to call that good. All right, so I'm going to turn this off. Plug. So this is going down, so that's off. So make sure that I've got this all plugged in correctly, and I've got the phone in between me and the laser. All right, cool. And actually, okay, that doesn't look too terrible. So this is a focusable laser. There we go. Oh wow, I can already smell that. All right, so while my head is turned, I'm going to crank up the laser just a little bit and see if we can put a spot on that piece of wood. So that's 50%. All right, so I'm going to turn that back down because I'm seeing a little bit of smoke. And I'm going to unplug it. I'm just going to turn it off. And look, we put a spot on a piece of wood. So this does exactly as advertised. So I'm going to turn all this off. Anyway, so I actually 3D printed a mount for this. So when I get some real glasses, oops. So that looks really crappy, but that should work. So I got 4 holes here that should mount it. I should have made this a little bit thicker, but the idea is when I get some good glasses, I can put a piece of wood under here and kind of move it around so I can freehand some stuff while I'm still getting the... I have stepper motors, so I was going to get some extruded aluminum and just start watching other people's tutorials and see if I can build my own little laser etcher. Anyway, guys, so this is the first video. I will send more stuff as I come up with it. Later, guys.